Surviving a shark attack primarily involves staying calm and taking decisive actions. Here are the steps recommended by experts. 1. Stay calm. Panicking can escalate the situation. Try to maintain your composure to think clearly. 2. Do not make sudden movements. Sharks are attracted to erratic movements. Avoid splashing or sudden movements that might draw its attention. 3. Maintain eye contact. Keep the shark in your sight without turning your back on it. This shows you are aware and not vulnerable. 4. Back away. Slowly. If the shark is not actively approaching, slowly back away towards shallow waters or a boat. 5. Use protective gear. If you have equipment like a spear gun, use it to gently fend off the shark, targeting its sensitive areas like the eyes or gills if it attacks. 6. Position yourself. Defensively. If attacked, try to position yourself in a way that protects vulnerable areas, such as keeping your back against a reef or rock. 7. Fight back. In the worst-case scenario where the shark attacks aggressively, use anything available as a weapon. Aim for sensitive areas like the eyes, gills, or snout. 8. Get help. Immediately. Once you're safe, seek medical attention immediately, even for seemingly minor injuries, as they can become serious due to infection or blood loss. Remember, shark attacks are rare, and most sharks are not interested in humans as prey. Prevention and preparedness are key to minimizing risks. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share.